Hi there, Sherry Johnston here. Today's video we're going to do Take a Stitch Tuesday, and this time we're doing an oyster stitch. The oyster stitch starts with something that looks a little like a twisted chain stitch. There's the twist. Then I'm going to pull through. Make sure that you pull the thread up or like the opposite way from where your stitch is going. And then I'm going to go through this little loop right there. Pull through. And before I pull all the way through, I'm going to put my needle back down inside that loop and pull. And I'm going to go out on the outside of that stitch, loop around to do a detached chain stitch on top of that twisted chain stitch, and pull through and anchor the stitch there. Once again, twisted chain stitch, and that's the oyster stitch.